kami day trip. So, pero maganda ang lighting dito. Pero maganda tayo dito. So, ayan, magpunta lang kami sa McDonald's para mag-coffee. Then, mamaya mag-breakfast kami sa isang cafe. So, welcome to Dunedin!
Chino, it is.
Google it, guys. Go. Ngayon, charge na tayo. Coffee. Mas McDonald's. Need to go back. You can go in.
I don't know. I could do it, but technically not.
Okay. I just go down and I have a picture of the steepest hill. Homespell. I can't do it. So now we decided to walk. So yun siya. Dunedin. Ngayon, aakit tayo. Then mamaya, bababa na naman tayo. Pamaol is real, Judney. Yan yung steepest hill. And then, ayan yung view mo sa baba. Ayan, may car. Aakit yan siya. Yeah. You need to be very fast. So yeah, there's stairs. So you can go there. Oh, we're gonna walk.
We're just going up to the highest point.
Highest point only daw. Alam mo yung view, maganda. It should be nice too. Hello? They just go up and down. Jesus Christ.
That's because they're teenagers.
Not breaking.
Hey?
It's like, don't
They
look.
did the same thing we did.
It's fast again.
What? This is just the steepest straight. There is no steepest straight. But there's a bit of this steepest.
It's really hard to go down.
Killed on this thing, eh?
Huh?
I said I can't remember if a kid was.
So yeah, going up there. How many ano kaya this one? Meter. We're going down. Just
Yeah.
Oof. This one is classic. Dunedin tub. Cup library. Okay. I'll go with the train. Frozen goods.
Chicken.
Oh, look at that. Oh, the camper van. Now it's gravy.
All in one.
Oyster. See? Train. It's a long one. Different flowers. Can I see? 250 ano? $50.
How much?
$6.50 with flower no.
50.
$6.50.
Oh, 6.
Let's buy one way. Tulip.
I don't even know.
I have coin here. Look at me. I'm gonna look me. Now we're having breakfast, big breakfast here in what's the name? There's no name.
It's at the front of the building, but it's the iconic, ironic
With this one something.
New Zealand Cafe 2015.
Station. Okay, let's go. This chair. This chair, oh. Golden chair.
Probably find out it's a garage sales in this news.
So this is the cafe, inside the cafe. And then we're gonna order. Like them.